morning, everyone. So in the last class we were discussing about identities and we learned how to apply them to expand binomials. Okay, now let us do some more problems. Using identities, you can write down the question now. Using identities, evaluate the following. Using identities, evaluate the following. First one, 71 square. Here we are going to learn how can we apply identities to find the square of a number. Okay. Is the video and audio clear to you? Okay, so let us do this one. 71 square can be written as 71 is 70 plus 1 the whole square. Okay, this 71 can be written as 70 plus 1. So its square is 70 plus 1 the whole square. Can you say which identity we have to apply here? First, second, third or fourth? Which identity can we apply here? See, compare this with the identities. Okay, we can apply the first one. That is, this is of the form A plus B the whole square. Let us write that identity. A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now you listen. This is A and this is B. So first term here is A square. So we have to write 70 square. To write 70 square, write the square of 7 and put 2 zeros. In this 1 zero is there, so we have to put 2 zeros. So it is 4900. The square of 7 is 49. 1 zero is here, so in its square 2 zeros will be there. Then plus, then 2AB. 2 into 70 into 1. 2 into 70 gives 140. You can write it here. 70 plus 1 the whole square equals 70 square plus 2 into 70 into 1 plus 1 square. So 2 into 70, 2 sevens 14 and this 0, it gives 140 into 1. 140 into 1 is 140 itself. Then plus 1 square is 1 here. Adding all these, you will get the answer as 45041. Is it clear? Is it clear? Please respond. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now the next is, try another question. 102 square. How can you write this 102? How to write this 102? You can write it as 100 plus 2 the whole square. So again, applying this identity a plus b the whole square, we can write this as 100 square. To write 100 square, square of 1 and then here 2 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros in it. Then plus 2ab. 2 into 100, it is 200 into 2, 400, 2ab plus b square. B square is 4. So the answer is 40401. Okay, next one. $99 square. $99 square. How can you write 99? closer to which number? This 99 closer to 90 or 100? So how can you write 99 in terms of 100? Hundred minus 1, or you can write this as 90 plus 9 also. So here this is equal to 100 minus 1 the whole square. A minus B the whole square we have to apply. A square, it is then A minus B the whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. First let us write both the positive terms here, A square and B square. So A square is 10,000 and B square is 1. We have to add them. See, A square plus B square. So let us add these two. Then minus 2AB. 2AB. 2 into 100. 200 into 1. It is 200. So we have to subtract 200 from this. 1, 0. 9,801. Okay, now the next one is 998 square. 998 square. You can write this 998 as 1000 minus 2. 1000 minus 2 the whole square. So this equals, see, A minus B the whole square equals A square minus 2AB plus B square. So first we will write the positive terms, A square and B square. It is A square. 1 square is 1. Here 3 zeros. So in the square we have to write 6 zeros. Then plus B square is 4. Then minus 2AB. 2AB is 2 into 1000. 2000 into 2, it is 4000. Have to subtract this. So the answer is 9,96,004. Is it clear? Okay, now the next one. 5.2 the whole square. 5.2 square. 5.2 square. You can write this as 5 plus 0.2. So we are applying a plus b the whole square. This is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can write this as a square plus 2ab. 2 into 5, it is 10. 10 into 0.2. Multiplying 0.2 with 10 will get us 2. Then plus 0.2 square is 0.04. 2 square is 4. Here 1 decimal place. So in the square 2 decimal places must be there. So 0.04. Now whole number part is 25 plus 2 plus 0. So it is 27.04. Okay, now another one. 8.9 square. 8.9. See here 5.2, we wrote it as 5 plus 0.2. You can write this one as 9 minus 0.1. Square. 9 minus 0.1 square. So this is equal to, first let us write the positive terms, that is a square plus b square. That is 9 square is 81. Then plus 0.1 square is 0.01. 1 square is 1. Here 1 decimal place. So in the square you have to put 2 decimal places. Then minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 9s 18. 18 into 1 it is 18. 1 decimal place. So it is 1.8. This can be written as 81.01. Whole number part is 81 and 0. So 81.01 minus 1.8. Subtracting, you will get this as 1 minus 0, it is 1. Okay, 79.21. You can write this as 9 minus 0.1 or you can write this as 8 plus 0.9. Okay, next one. $297 into 303. Now the next is find the product of this 297 into 303. This can be written as, see, in between this 297 and 303, we can find a multiple of 100, that is 300. Okay, in terms of 300, we can write these two numbers, that is 300 minus 3 into 300 plus 3. Which identity we are applying here? See this, compare this with the identities. Okay, third one. Third one means it is a minus b into a plus b equals a square minus b square. Okay, that is here a minus b into a plus b. So it is a square minus b square. This is equal to, what is 300 square? 300 square how many zeros required? Here 3 3s 9, 2 zeros, so in its square 1 2 3 4 zeros. Here 2 zeros, its double you have to write here. Then minus 3 square is 9. Let us subtract this. Answer is 89,991. Okay, moving to the next one. 78 into 82. 78 into 82. How can you write this product? How can you write this? 78 into 82 in this form. Give your answer. Or can you write this in this form? Here we wrote this as 297 as 300 minus 3 and 303 as 300 plus 3. Okay, you can write this as 80 minus 2 into, in between these two, a multiple of 10, which is 80. 80 minus 2 is 78. Then 80 plus 2 is 82. Applying the same identity here, you can write this as 80 square minus 2 square. So this is equal to, what is 80 square? Shreya, how many zeros required? Mary, what is the square of 8? Aromal, check the number of zeros. Check the number of zeros here. See, 8 square is 64. How many zeros here? Only 1 0. What is its double? Two zeros required. Only 2 zeros. It is 6400 minus 2 square is 4. Subtract it. So it is 6. Six 936. Okay, now the next one. .05 into 9.5. Sorry, you write this as 10.5. 10.5 into 9.5. Now can you write this? in between these two decimal numbers, which is the whole number? Is it 100? 100 plus 5 is 105. 105, not 10.5. You have to get 10.5. How can you write this? This can be written as 10 plus 0.5 into 10 minus 0.5. Okay, now this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. 10.5 is 10 plus 0.5. 9.5 is 10 minus 0.5. This can be written as 10 square minus 0.5 square. So this 10 square is 100 minus, what is 0.5 square? What is this 0.5 square? To find 0.5 square, you write, okay, it is 0.25. 5 square is 25. Here one decimal place. So here you have to put two decimal places. Give the answer now. 100 minus 0.25. Aline and Unni Aravind, is it 0.35 square of 5? What's the answer? 100 minus 0.25. It is 99.75. Okay. So let us do another one. 51 square minus 49 square. See, here we are applying the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We are applying the identity in this order. How can you write this? Consider it in the reverse order. See, check this. This is of the form a square minus b square. See, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So how can you write this? So now this is of the form a square minus b square. So it can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So you can write this as 51 plus a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. What is the sum? What is the sum? It is 100. Okay, into what is the difference here? Difference is 51 minus 49. Aromal is the difference 50 here. What is the difference in this 51 minus 49? It is 2. So 100 into 2 it is 200. So the answer is 200. Now the next one. 153 square minus 147 square. One 53 square minus 147 square. How can you write this? One 153, not 157. It is 153 plus 147 into 153 minus 147. So this is equal to, add these two. What about the sum? It is 300, okay. Then into, what's the difference? What's the difference? Difference is 153 minus 147. Okay, it is 6. Now to multiply these two, 6 into 3, 18, then 2 zeros here, 1800. Okay, another one is 1.02 the whole square minus 0.98 the whole square. See, this can be written as a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. Find the sum of these two. Find the sum. It is 2. Okay. Into, what is the difference? Okay, sum of these two is 2. What's the difference here? Only check it. Is it correct or not? It is 0.04. 04. So to multiply this, 2 4s 8. 2 decimal places required. So 0.08. To multiply these two, 2 4s are 8, then 2 decimal places. So to 2 decimal places here, 0.08. Now another one, 103 into 104. So here 103 into 104. This can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 4. Which identity we have to apply here? Compare with the given identities, standard identities. Fourth one, that is x plus a into x plus b. First two terms are same here and the second terms are different. So this is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So let us apply it here. First is x square. So the common term here is 100. So we have to write this as 100 square plus A plus B. Here A is 3 and B is 4. So A plus B into X. X is 100 plus AB, that is 3 into 4. This is equal to 100 square. It is 10,000 plus 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 into 100, it is 700. Then 3 fours, 12. This is equal to 10,712. Okay, here common number is 100. So 100 square plus, that is to be taken as X. This is X, A, this is X and B. So X square plus A plus B into X plus AB. Now the next one is 103 into 98. 103 into 98. This can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 2. 98 is 100 minus 2. Again the fourth identity, X plus A into X plus B. This equals X square plus A plus B into X plus AB. Here you have to take care of the sign. A is, this is X. A is plus 3 and B is to be taken as minus 2. Okay, A is to be taken as plus 3 and B is to be taken as minus 2. So this equals 100 square plus A plus B into 100 plus AB. So this equals 10,000 plus 3 plus minus 2 is 3 minus 2, which is 1. 1 into 100 gives 100 itself. Then 3 into 2, it is minus 2 is minus 6. 100 minus 6 gives 94. So here it is 100 minus 6, which is 94. So 10,000 plus 94. .1 into 5.2. How can you write this? Five plus 0.1, okay, into, what about the second? 5 plus 0.2. So this can be written as these two x, and this is a and this is b. So it is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. 5 square is 25. Then what about 0.1 plus 0.2? 0.3 into 5, which gives 3 into 5, 15, 1 decimal place, so it is 1.5. Sum of these two is 0.3 into 5. 5 into 3, 15, 1 decimal place here, so this 1 decimal place you have to keep, that is 1.5. Then plus, what about this product? Okay, 1 into 2, it is 2 decimal places, so it is 0.02. Now add it and find the answer. $26.52. Whole number part is 25 plus 1. It is 26. 5 plus 0, it is 5. Then 2. It is 26.52. Okay, one more question. $9.7 into $9.8. Can write this as 9 plus 0.7 into 9 plus 0.8. Or you can write this as 10 minus 0.3 10 minus 0.3 into 10 minus 0.2. Either you can use this or you can use this one. So here this is x a 9 square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This equals 9 square is 81 plus 0.7 plus 0.8. Sum of these two. So it's 0.15 or 1.5. Only one decimal place is here. See 0.7, 0.8. Adding these two, 8 plus 7, 15. 1 carry over. Then 1 is here. It is 1.5. Then into 9. Only when you multiply two decimal numbers, count the number of decimal places together. So it is 13.5 plus, what about the product? Zero 0.56. So we can add the whole number part here. For that, let us write 81, 13.5, then 0.56. Adding, this becomes 6. So it is 95.06. With this, the chapter is over. Practice more questions. We will do the next chapter in the next class. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day.